Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to be showing you guys how to help a guy who is stuck underneath a train. Right now on our shoulder you guys see a briefcase. That is an airbag case that we have deployed an airbag under the train. And so yeah, from here stick along and enjoy the video. And then we are going to get one of these.
2021.
What happened in 2021?
You. They. Added. 2021, they added.
This call?
Yes. Finally. (2021) they added yes and wood and fell building fall. Hole. 2021 they added yes and wood and fell building fall hole.
There's the guy. Chris, do you see him? Can you see him?
2021 they added yes and wood and fell building fall hole R. E.
Whatever.
R9 is out of service. R9 is out of service.
R9 is out of service.
We. R9 is out of service. We. R9 is out of service. We.
Hold on, Chris. Out of service, we what?
R9 is out of service. We run there. Calls. R9 is out of service. We run their calls.
Thank goodness. Finally.
Haley.
Yes, Chris.
R9 is out of service. We run their calls. Haley.
R9. Rescue 1 is out of service. We run their calls. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Yeah, we do run their calls. Let's try to go get this guy.
Last.
Push bar for emergency sound will sound. Emergency exit. Okay, how am I supposed to... Oh my goodness, I really have to do this. Do all this extra stuff. Okay.
Last.
You sure?
Last night was not fun. We got a call building fell. Yes.
I see you, my friend. I do see you.
I had.
Got you out. Alrighty, guys, we got him out. Finally. We got our boy out. Okay. Now let's hook him up to ventilator. Oh, you're still alive. Well, that's news to me. You seem to be, your heart rate seems to be a little bit down though. So maybe we should
How?
probably administer an inhaler. Actually, no. Everything looks pretty good. Yeah, we were pretty. I was getting pretty frustrated with not figuring out how to get it to work and like how to get the bags underneath the train and those types of things. So it's definitely a more complicated call. So if that's what you're looking for, I definitely advise doing that call. But yeah. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, Rufus family. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Join the family if you have not already. And yeah, Rufus and Haley are out.